Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha, and tonight we're just gonna talk, guys. I have something that we're just gonna do. It's just a little fun thing, you know. Gonna keep it fun tonight, and tonight we're gonna be talking about some Jamaican proverbs. As the title suggests, we're doing Jamaican proverbs tonight. Okay, so I have 10, but I'll probably find some more, or we'll just stop at the 10. We'll just see. Okay guys, so before we go ahead, I'm just going to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Help your girl reach 2,000 subscribers. I'm begging you guys, please. Alright? Hit that post notification bell so you won't miss a video when I come with another one. And so on. Like this video before you watch it. And comment after you watch it. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so hope y'all had a good day. Let's jump into the first one. And if you know any of these, let me know below, okay? Or if you know any other one, let me know below also. Okay guys, so first one is Chicken Mary, hawk the near. Chicken Mary, hawk the near. What does that mean? What this means, guys, is amidst our excitement, we should keep a watchful eye for trouble. You know, sometimes every time you're too happy, something bad is about to happen. I don't like that terminology. I don't like that saying, but sometimes it's really true, guys. But, you know, they're just saying, when you're happy and stuff, still keep in mind that something bad can also happen, you know? Yeah, so we just keep a watchful eye for trouble. Because sometimes when you're happy, you know, that's when the devil wants to step in and ruin that. Because, you know, the devil doesn't like happiness. He doesn't like when people are happy and joyful, because that is not his purpose. His purpose is to make misery, make people miserable, you know? So we always have to be watchful and keep our eye out for the devil, because he's always roaming. Anyways guys, so number 2, one cocoa full basket. That's pretty simple. One cocoa full basket. What does that mean? If you're throwing a lot of cocoa, it's gonna fill up your baskets. No, that's not what it means. Okay, what that simple means, guys, is that we should take things one step at a time, and eventually we will get where we want to be. That is a very good one. One cocoa full basket, guys. We live by this saying. You know, we take one step at a time to get where we want to be in life. You know, nothing is too small. No little step is too small for you to take to achieve your goals in life. You know, so yeah, one cocoa full basket. So we just have to take our time, each day at a time. Yeah, Rome wasn't built in a day. Take your time, reach where you want to go. One cocoa full basket. You have to start with one. You can't just put in everyone in at the same time. They're going to tumble over. You have to take time. Understand? Number 3. Every hoe have them tick a bush. This one I've heard a lot. And mostly I've heard this when you're talking about somebody who's not so lookable, and are not even just lookable, just somebody who's just, somebody could have been like so bad or so, I don't know, just out of the norm. And then they have nice person. You want to then get that person or whatever. You know, like when I say stick dangling on my face, you know, something. They can never bite me. And them kind of something that's it's like there's somebody out there for everybody. But let me get the meaning what they have to say. There is someone out there for everyone. That's exactly what I said, guys, and I did not read that one. There's someone out there for everyone. So never judge a book by its cover. Everybody have somebody out there, no matter how you look. Your teeth can gone, your face mash up, your face bigger than cover your face. I mean, your nose bigger than cover your face. there's somebody out there for you. Because guess what, guys? It's not on the physical. It's not the physical that matters. It's the inside. But sometimes, we as human, we see the physical first. We're not going to lie. We're not blind. We see the physical first. But sometimes, the most important thing is what's on the inside of the person. Right? Is that person a good person? Will that person be there for you? Through thick and thin. Some of these good looking people, they're frauds. Red flag. Pretty face and bad character. Some of these pretty people, you can't trust them. They're frauds. So sometimes when people say they don't want an ugly man, they don't want an ugly woman, or the ugly man and the ugly woman is going to be there for you through thick and thin. These pretty people give too much trouble. Nah, I'm not run behind nobody because you're too pretty. No. I can't sleep on my bed because I worry what you out there do. And people that look upon you. And I can't take the drama. That's too much headache. Me too old for I go through them. There's something there. Give me my ugly man with in good personality and in good art. Anyways, guys, number 4. What sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. What sweetie, I go run your belly. Just like the one, pretty man, sweetie, pretty woman, sweetie, them I go run your belly. Be an idiot, them I'll give you. It's true. What this means is, what might seem fine and lovely now might not be later. So what is seem prim and proper and nice right now might become rotten next week. Not everything that is going good now will go good forever. So we just have to hope and pray so it does. My throw my can, number 5, sorry. My throw my can, me never call no fall. My throw my can, me never call no fall. This happen on Facebook a lot. You put up a post and you see enough people running. Or some people get offended because I think it's them you talk about. When you throw your can, did you call any foul? I put up my post, I never call nobody. I never call no name. I put up a general post, but all the foul them run come in. So that is it, guys. Sometimes you talk some things. You don't mean what some people think you mean, but they take offense to it and think you're talking about them. That is my meaning. Let me see what the meaning says. Somebody make a general statement without convicting anyone in particular, but other people think it's them you're talking about. So continuing with this, it says, who the cap fits, make them wear it. So may I throw my can, may not call no foul, but if the cap fits you, you can wear it. Obviously you guilty why you're running underneath my post and feel guilty if I didn't call your name. So the cap fit you. So wear it. Anyways, guys, number 6. Sorry for Maga dog. Them turn around and bite you. Sorry for Maga dog, them turn around and bite you. You ever sorry for somebody yet, guys, and then turn around and dash it in your face? You ever sorry for somebody and them take it and dash it in your face? Not if I look at thanks. Or them say thanks, but they don't mean it. Enough time it happen. Sometimes you sorry for the wrong person. Sometimes the people them that you help, they don't deserve the help. Because they turn around and become your enemy. Not enemy. Like Hennessy. They turn around and become your enemy. You know, we Jamaicans, we add H to everything. Your enemy. So anyways, guys, so what this means is this speaks to helping someone in need who usually turns out to be ungrateful. So you help somebody, guys, and then turn on and be ungrateful. Then my next one was the ungrateful dog, name dirty pudding. It's another Jamaican proverb. So if you're ungrateful, you're gonna get a bad end of the stick. Somebody turn on and help you. You can imagine, and then you turn on and ungrateful. What kind of good you'll get out of that? Nothing. You're going near dirty pudding. And the dirty pudding is the circumstances that you're going to end up in. Not necessarily dirty pudding. But if you want them, that you can go right ahead because you're ungrateful to begin with. Number 7, guys. Cock mouth kill cock. That means you chat too much, basically. Don't chat too much. Because the same words when you chat for your mouth can hurt you. Be careful what you say. It might come back to haunt you. Be careful what you say. Because you see this tongue of ours and this lips, guys, very dangerous. The tongue is a sword. It cuts deep. Sometimes the words that will come from your mouth is more powerful and more hurtful than actually taking up something and hurting somebody. Because the words will remember. Right? But be careful what you say. Because sometimes it come back and haunt you. Don't just speak bare bad things. Curse people. Because sometimes you curse people and you're just cursing yourself and you don't even know. You're cursing people and you don't even know. So just be careful what comes from your mouth. Speak life and goodness into people and into yourself, into your life. Alright? Okay, number 8. Trouble no set like rain. What this simply means is, unlike the weather, we do not know when trouble might reach us. Trouble not set like rain. You see how the outside is set up? And when we see rain go fall, sometimes we smell the dirt. We see the clouds turn black. And sometimes we see the weather on the TV. So we know it's going to rain. That's a warning to tell us that it's going to be bad weather. When trouble is coming, we don't know. Sometimes we get like a warning there and here and there, but we ignore the signs. But sometimes we don't know when trouble is coming at all. So trouble not set like rain. So we just have to be mindful and be aware at all times. Keep an open mind for anything that can happen. Number 9. Don't no awful frightened. So you think say you're big and bad and you can pick on somebody else who's smaller than you? You feel that all of the days of your life you just have to walk around and be Mr. Bully and Mrs. Bully? And nothing happen to you? You will fight. Your day will come. Don't be no awful frightened. You might just meet somebody like how Goliath they meet David. Because Goliath they think he couldn't defeat David alive. Goliath is a duppy who frightened David. And David did deal with him. He never knows him would get slew by a little tiny person. What that means, guys, is bullies in particular know who to pick on. The same thing, guys. You're going to pick on the wrong person one day and that person is going to finish you. So, stay in your lane and behave yourself. Number 10, guys, last one. Silent river run deep. Never underestimate a person who is quiet. Sometimes you see some people quiet and mind their business and you feel so them is a pushover. Sometimes you see some people sit down and they mind their business and then go about their business, then go work, then do their work and then go in yard. And you feel like them better than people or them is a pushover. So you with your big bad self feel like you can trouble that person. So don't underestimate them. It's similar to dupping out over frightened. Silent river don't run deep. Don't underestimate that person because that person can turn out to defeat you. Not necessarily fighting, but in life. Sometimes that same person who you are bad to or disrespect or put lower is the same people them that you go to apply to for a job. You go to that same person to apply for a job and you don't even know. So be careful how you treat people in life, people, because you never know who is going to help you in life. Just be careful. Okay, guys, so that's it. That was my Jamaican proverbs session for tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. If you know any other one, please leave it in the comments below and let me know if you enjoyed it, And yeah, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Help me get to 2,000. Please share this video and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.